there, this is a wine inventory tracker. So whether or not you have a wine collection or if you are a business owner, this is a perfect place to track all of your wine and the total value of your collection. This sheet works in Google Sheets and Excel. It's available for sale on my website at savvyandthriving.com. I'm going to show you how it works. First, we're going to put the name of the wine, and then we can put the brand, the producer, the year that the wine was made, the style, the variety, and the location of where the wine was made. You can type out your description of your wine. You can choose the date of when you purchased the wine. You can put the cost per bottle, and then the number of bottles that you have, the current value of the bottle if you were to buy it today, and then the total value of this wine. You can rate this wine 1 to 10 and put any notes about it as well. This will calculate the total number of bottles that you have, the current value of your wine, and then the total value of all of the bottles. That's how this sheet works. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm at savvyandthriving.com. I have lots of other sheets to help you to organize your hobbies, your home, your business, your budget, and things like that. So feel free to take a look around. Let me know if you have questions, and I hope you have a great day.